So now we gotta go find our puppy. All right, I'm getting a little bit worried now. Just lost the prince. What's going on? We are gonna take the puppies for the longest hike yet. We're gonna go check every one of my trail cameras, which is a pretty hefty run. And we're gonna see just how well they do, how well they stick around. So yeah, we're gonna hit the woods on this beautiful snowy day. So far, not too bad. Yep, just like when we're hiking down in the middle of the ravine. I walk away, they see that I'm walking away, they come bolting. There's Nova anyway. Where's Honey? Honey, come in. There she comes. Come here, honey dog. Come here, honey buns. All right, we actually are at the first camp already. It's actually way colder than I thought it was gonna be today. This might suck the rest of the walk or hike. What do we got here? So I checked these just 7 days ago. I'm really trying to be on top of checking these cameras every week, just so that we don't have to go through so much footage. So right now we have 41 videos on here. I'm gonna try to be fairly quick with these changeovers because I don't want them to get too busy doing their own thing and they disappear on me. So we're gonna go. And just when I thought winter was over, it's like a winter wonderland all over again. But I do feel like this is gonna be the last one. And I think I said that last time too, but, ooh, there's a deer, first thing. We have 45 videos on this one. Yeah, big puppies. All right, camera number 3. Oh, there goes a bunny. Good thing you guys didn't notice that. Oh, big puppy. You big puppy. 29 videos. All right, puppies, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, Nova. Come on, Nova. Big dog. Coming, honey? You coming? All right. Oh, big Nova. Good job, good job. What? It says, please insert memory card, and there's a memory card right here. Oh, that's never good. I'm gonna swap it anyway because I know it was working. I know it did not say that when I inserted it. I'll swap it out and I will check that card at home. And hopefully there's some footage on there. All right, honey, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. All right, this is our Bobcat camera. I mean, I think what's happening is, I know I talked about those wildlife piles I was making. Well, this is that down tree that I mentioned in that video. This is the tree that fell, kind of went down, and I just kind of tossed all the limbs on top of it. So everything kind of just stayed. There's lots of room in there. And I think that's why the Bobcat probably likes it over here, because there's probably some food in there. There's probably some rabbits and some goodies in there for him. Uh-oh, this one's not turning on. Big Nova, good girl. Good girl. Okay, batteries must be dead on this one. I'm gonna go ahead and change them out quick and then I'll reboot it and we'll see how much footage is actually on here. All right, got them swapped out. Looks like 67. So, yeah, not too bad. All right. Let's see what this one has. Big puppies. You big puppies? Only 26. A lot of deer though. Big girls. You big girls. All right, this is our, intersection spot with trails that just meet everywhere. 39. A lot of deer again. Seems like an increase in deer. Although we've had a lot more moisture, a lot more storms, a more rain and stuff too, so I think they've been out and about moving a bit more. Nova, step here, buddy. Step here, buddy. All right, let's go, puppies, let's go. You big dogs. Wow, that wind is just, it is coming like crazy. Wow, a lot of my cameras are borderline dead, but 45 videos on this one. And it dropped from 2 bars down to 1 bar. So hopefully this will last. Oh, just heard a deer blow. Out there somewhere. Oh, there you are. You're both over here. Yeah, I had to walk away. Nova wasn't coming that last time, but like I said, I walk away far enough, she realizes I'm the boss, I need to follow the boss, and she comes a running. $35. All right, camera number 2. Honey Nova, hey, 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 come here, honey. Oh, you big dog, you big dog. 33. Possum. A lot of possum on this one. And there's your deer. There's your deer. All right, puppies are ahead of me. Let's go. Keep on moving. They got ahead of me a little bit. They're just exploring. They've never been back on this side of the property before, so this is all new to them. 41. All right, puppies. All right, puppies. Hey, good job. Good job. 42. Oh, there's a buck still holding its antlers. All right, big dogs. Got 2 cameras here. $34. And I would imagine, unless the batteries are dead on the other camera, there's probably 34-ish there too. Okay. What you think? What you think? 36. 36 videos. Come here, girls. Come here, girls. Hey. Did you tackle her? Honey Nova, hey, hey, stay up here. Stay up here. One camera left on the top side. And then we'll head to the bottom of the ravine, down that hill. If they don't go down over there. Oh, hey, Honey Nova, come, come, come. What do we got? Only 12 videos. This camera is not the greatest spot. I thought it would do a lot better, but sometimes it produces. There actually is some pretty good bucks that I've seen on this small little trail, but a lot of times there's pretty much nothing. All right, you guys ready? Let's go, let's go. I'm heading down, guys. You coming? You coming? There you go. You just sprint down, huh? Whoa. And number 2. What are you doing? He just wrestling. All right, first camera. Hey, honey. At the bottom of the ravine. Jeez, that wind is like blowing. So crazy. Hey, honey, where you going? Where you going, big dog? Uh-oh, she's, Nova's sitting right there. 36 videos. So now we're down in the area that they do know. I mean, this is where I've been hiking once, if not twice a day with them. So it's probably somewhat familiar. She has not come back yet. There she is. What is she doing? Honey, hey, come. Come here, honey. Let's go. You coming? You're just sitting there staring at me. Come on, honey, let's go. Noah's over here doing her thing. We got a camera over here, bro. Good job, Nova. You following? This is actually one of the cameras I moved. I don't know where this one came from. I can't remember where I had this. But this is only about the second or third week I've had it up over here. Not a lot of activity. Yeah, only 21. Oh, it looks like a spike buck, like right at the beginning of this thing. We had a couple coons and coyotes, but nothing too crazy. And then right up there, that is where the spring is at, and the top of the ravine is at. So it kind of just heads upward from here. I still don't see Honey. I'm not sure where she's at right now. Hopefully she's just sitting there waiting for me, I guess. Hey, Nova, what you doing? All right, let's go find Honey. Let's go. Still don't see Honey, but if she heads down far enough, I mean, she'll basically be at the goats and or the house. But she's a puppy and I really don't know what she's gonna be doing. But I only have like 2 or 3 cameras left, so hopefully we can hammer these out really quick. What do we got here? 32 videos. All right, I'm getting a little bit worried now because it's snowing, it's kind of just funky out. And I don't know what is going through her mind. Hopefully she's just hanging out over there somewhere. What do we got? 26 videos. Nova, you're doing good. You're hanging out right by me. A lot of times when they separate, the other one stops moving and it wants to find the other one and won't listen, but she's doing great right now. Hanging out right here. All right, Nova, let's go. All right, this is our ghost camera. This is the one that's been acting up, sending me all kinds of weird videos from last April. 26, and they're all current. That is good. 26 videos. Okay, we have, ooh, no, you know what? That's the last camera. My camera that I placed down there before the spring was the one that I had right up against my pastures down here, but I decided I didn't want it over there anymore, so I moved it. So this was the last one right here. So now we gotta go find our puppy. So unfortunately, the snow is not thick enough that I can really see any prints of that size. Oh wait, you know what? Okay, okay, I see some prints. She's at least heading out. Just lost the prints. Honey. Honey girl. Hey Nova. You doing good, buddy? Oh, there's a print. There is a print right there. So we're getting close. Oh yeah, right here. She's following the trail right out there. So Nova, come. Nova, come. Come, Nova, come. Let's go, Nova. She had me worried. She is up by her doghouse. I lost her tracks. I think she stopped just before the exit and then went up the side of the hill. That's why I couldn't see her tracks anymore. Yeah, here she comes. You silly puppy. You had me worried. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. But all in all, that was the first major long distance hike for them. I think they did pretty darn well. Plus we got the snowstorm we had to truck through, which wasn't all that fun. Hey, yeah, where'd you go? Where'd you go? But we're out on the other side. We're all good. Hope you enjoyed it. See y'all next time.